This is a dialogue between teacher and student. When it's your turn to read as a student, please read. We will start at the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Dialogue about weather. 1, 2, 3. Hello. The weather is pretty nice. It's sunny and warm outside. How about you? How's the weather where you live? Great question. A forecast is a prediction of what the weather will be like in the future. It helps us to know if it's going to be sunny, rainy, or snowy, for example. They use tools and data to make these predictions. Good observation. Temperature tells us how hot or cold it is outside. We measure it in degrees, like in Fahrenheit or Celsius. When it's hot, the temperature is high, and when it's cold, the temperature is low. You're asking all the right questions. Precipitation is any form of water that falls from the sky, like rain, snow, sleet, or hail. It's important to know if there will be precipitation because it can affect our plans and what we wear. You're welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask anytime. Stay curious. Now you will read as the teacher. I will read as the student at the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Hi, teacher. How's the weather today? It's okay here too. It's a bit cloudy, but not too cold. I heard the word forecast on the news. What does that mean? Oh, that's interesting. What about temperature? I heard that too. Got it. And what about precipitation? I heard that word too. Thanks, teacher. I learned a lot about weather today. Thanks for participating. Bye for now. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed the practice.